Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's scroll saw project video, have another fun design by Steve Good, and I'm really going to enjoy this project myself, and you'll understand why in a second. I've already got the patterns printed out and attached to the wood with clear packing tape, and the material we're going to be using is 1/2 inch oak and 1/4 inch dark walnut. As I said, the patterns are all printed out, and the reason I'm really going to like this project is it is a pirate themed project. Really awesome. The biggest piece depicts a Jolly Roger and a ship, and that's going to be cut out of the oak, and then the dark walnut will be some accent pieces. It's got another pirate ship on it, the eye patch for the skull, and then the 2 sword handles. I'm really going to like this project. As you can see, I've actually marked out the word pirates here on the bottom. I'm not going to cut that out. You totally can if you want to. That is an option, but I took it out because I have an idea in my head to maybe hook a small chain under here and hang like a pirate coin or a trinket, this pirate theme down between it. That's just the idea I've got. I'm not going to do that in this video, but I will post a picture over on my Instagram if I decide to do that to show the fully completed thing. Let me know what you guys think of that. But as I've already got the patterns attached with the clear packing tape, let's head over to the drill press, drill our pilot holes, and get started. And over here at the drill press, we're going to begin by drilling all of the pilot holes for internal cutting. There is a lot of internal cuts on this project, enough to keep you busy for a little bit. But after we get all the pilot holes drilled, we will head over to the scroll saw and start scrolling. I'm starting with the dark walnut pieces that will be glued to the oak piece. I am using number 5 reverse tooth, sharp tooth scroll saw blades, and they are cutting through both the walnut and they will cut through the oak extremely well. Going to release our pieces from the wood here, beginning with the little pirate ship. The pattern is designed by Steve Good, and if you would like to download this pattern and try it, you can download it for free over at Steve Good's scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com website over in the free pattern catalog. Steve Good makes amazing designs. Finishing up here with the dark walnut pieces, and then we will start with the oak piece, which has the main piece on it. And with oak being a harder wood, it's just a slower cut, and I just took my time with it and let the blade do the work. Really awesome design, and I really had a lot of fun making it, being a pirate. And you see me there lubricating the blade with a bar of soap, and that's just basic bar of soap you can pick up anywhere. It helps lubricate the blade and reduce burn marks on darker wood. You will see me using that periodically here. And we're on the final outside cut. We'll release this piece from the wood. Coming around the other sword here. And back up around the skull and the bandana. And when we come back around to the ship, all of the scroll work will be done, and we will head over to the workbench to remove everything from the waste wood. Here we are removing everything. It's already looking beautiful, and we will take all of our pieces over to the other workbench and sand everything with 100 grit sandpaper. with the palm sander. And off camera I will do a little touch-up sanding with 220 grit sandpaper. But once everything is sanded, we'll take it back over to the main workbench and begin gluing everything together. And I'm using basic Gorilla Wood glue for the glue up. And I will line everything up and make sure it's all in the right place. And then I'll use some basic spring clamps to hold everything in place while the glue sets up and dries. And I will let the glue dry around an hour, and then I'll come back and remove the spring clamps and take the piece outside for finishing with just some clear polyurethane. And I gave it a few coats of the clear polyurethane, and I let that dry out in the sun, and the project was complete. And here we have the completed Jolly Roger Pirate piece. I think it turned out real good. The oak and the dark walnut contrast really great together, and it really pops and it's really eye-catching. And the clear coat just brought all the grain to the forefront and really give it another added characteristic. I really love it. This was a very fun project to make. With hardwood, it was a little bit of a slower cut, and I probably got an hour and a half in cutting time in this. I didn't break a blade. The number 5 blades cut extremely well. I think it turned out real good. All that's left to do is add a hanger to the back and display it proudly. Pirates always love flying their colors. Thank you, Steve Good, for another amazing design. Here's a nice look at it. Really awesome. I really hope you guys like this project and like watching me make it. Really awesome. Really enjoyed that project. That's about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care. Ooh. Why is the rum always gone? Pirate's life. Oh well, water will have to do. As I was saying, I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.